Hi guys, this is Jessy, not Mendiola, but Morena, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's vlog, I'm going to share my answers to your question. Without further ado, let's begin. So, nilista ko yung question nyo here sa paper. And I choose 10 questions from you guys. So, let's begin. For the first question is, anong course or strand nga ba ang pwedeng kunin if gusto nyong maging flight attendant? Uunahan ko na kayo guys. Actually, ang pagiging flight attendant is walang required the course. Kahit anong course pwede nyong kunin. Pwede kayo mag-engineering, accountancy, business management, culinary, nursing, or kung ano pa ang gusto nyo. But kung gusto nyo maging flight attendant, kung gusto nyo kunin ng course na pinakamalapit sa magiging flight attendant, mag-tourism management kayo. For the incoming grade 11, para sa strand na gusto nyo, or kung gusto nyo kunin talaga ang pagiging flight attendant, pwede kayong accountancy, business and management, or the ABM. But, just a tip from your ate Jessy, kumuha kayo ng course na pwede nyo maging fallback. What I mean is, ang pagiging flight attendant kasi ay hindi
pang forever.
From some airlines, mayroong certain age na hanggang dun lang talaga. So, just to be sure, meron kayong plan B. Okay, the second question that I got is, pwede po bang magsalamin in flight? Required po ba na 20/20 ang vision? Okay, uunahan ko na kayo guys. Hanggat bata pa kayo, ingatan nyo na ang inyong mga mata. Though 5J is okay lang ang naka-eyeglasses, pero tatanggalin nyo siya during safety demonstration. If mag-eyeglasses kayo sa lipad, make sure meron kayong spare na eyeglasses or contact lens. For the contact lens, bawal lang red, blue, green, violet. Make sure malapit yung kulay sa mata nyo. Pwede yung color brown or mas better if clear lang yung contact lens. And hanggat bata tayo, wag tayong mag-addict sa mga online games like Mobile Legends. Third question. Paano po yon? Gusto kong maging flight attendant kaso cute size lang ako. I got this question from Sai Alagaw. And isama na natin yung question ni Mark Badren na kung ano daw yung minimum height requirement. For the minimum height requirement for the female is 5'3" and for the male is 5'7" under Cebu Pacific. So, kung hindi tayo umabot sa minimum height requirement, huwag tayong mawala ng pag-asa. Kung 5 flat kayo, 5'1", 5'2", okay lang yan. Dahil some of the Middle Eastern airline is hindi required ang height requirement. Pwede sa kanila, ang basis nila is arm reach. So, make sure na abot nyo ang 212 cm. So, tip from Ate Jessy, sa wall ng kwarto nyo or sa wall sa house nyo, maglagay kayo ng line doon na it is 212 cm and every morning, itry nyo siya abutin. Make sure yung tip, etong dulo, magpapas siya. Next question that I got is, bakit walang seat number 13 sa eroplano? From Heinz number 12. Hindi ko alam kung bakit kailangan kong sagutin tong question na to, but sige. So, according nga sa superstition ng ating mga great-grandfather, malas daw ang number 13. Like, Friday the 13th, ano pa ba? And according din kasi sa Bible, di ba, na binitray ni Judas si Jesus, and it was the 13th disciple. So, even naman yung mga hotel, walang 13th floor, yung mga condominium, wala. So, ayun, malas daw yung number 13. Next question that I got is, what is your worst and memorable experience during flight? Galing siya kay Angel Riliera. Okay. Ngayon ko lang i-share to sa vlog pa. So, yung mga nakakaalam ng kwento na to is yung mga kalipad ko lang nung araw na yon. So, eto nga. Yung worst And best experience ko ay iisa lang. So, etong experience na to is, na-experience ko siya nung ako yung lead cabin crew of the flight. So, eto na nga. Tapos na mag-safety demonstration yung mga kalipad ko. So, ang work ni lead cabin crew is, di ba, siya yung mag-a-announce bago mag-safety demonstration. And then, ako din yung magpa-final compliance. Final compliance is, dadaanan ko yung buong cabin kung okay na ba, yung naka-seatbelt ba yung mga pasahero, window shades up, ganon. Tapos, sa 27th row, o diba, onting na lang nasa dulo na ako. 27th row, merong isang pamilya. Diba, ganyan yung upuan sa aeroplano. 3 dito, 3 dito. So, dito, 4 sila. So, talagang family sila. And then, yung anak nila, hindi naman infant. So, I politely asked the passenger, Sir, may I borrow your boarding pass? Sabi niya sa akin, wala. Wala daw yung boarding pass, ganon. Nasa taas daw ng overhead bin. So, tinanong ko, Sir, saang overhead bin po? Para ako na lang kukuha. And then, he said, it's on my check-in baggage. So, nagulat ako. Sabi ko, Sir, you cannot enter the aircraft if you don't have any boarding pass. And then, sabi niya,
Miss, Bacolod lang naman tayo, di ba? Ang iksi-iksi lang ng flight natin. Tapos sabi niya, bakit kailangan pa lumipat doon? So yun, tsaka bata naman to.
Sabi niya ganon. Tapos nasabi ko na lang is, okay, smile Jessy, sa inner ko. Tapos, sabi ko sa kanya, Sir, I am, ano yun? Ano yung sinabi ko? Parang, I am concerned about their safety. Kasi in case na magkaroon nga ng emergency, like water emergency, water landing, is 3 lang yung life vest under each seat. I mean, each passenger seat, merong isa. So, 3 yun. 3 yung seat doon. So, 3 lang yung life vest nun. So, sabi ko, I'll give you 2 options, sir. You go back to your proper seat, or you can transfer at the back of your seat since meron namang available. Then, talagang sinasabi niya,
hindi na miss, maiksi lang yung lipad. Parang 40 minutes lang, ganun.
Tapos inaaway, tapos ang lakas-lakas pa ng boses niya. Tapos nilagpasan ko siya. Sabi niya,
sinong manager nyo?
ganon, gumanon siya. So, bago ko bumalik, inhale, exhale muna ako. Ganon ako. Sabi ko, hi sir, I am Jessy. I am the lead cabin crew of this flight. How may I help you? Ganoon ko siya. Tapos, kasi yung sigaw niya talaga, sinong manager nyo? Lahat ng pasahero, parang kahit yung mga nasa first row from 27th row is lumingon sa amin. Tapos nung sinabi ko sa kanya na ako yung lead cabin crew ng lipad na yun, talagang tinatawanan na siya ng mga katabi niya. So, ayun, yung mga pasahero man namin na nanonood, sana maintindihan niyo po kami na 3 lang talaga yung required dahil concerned kami sa safety nyo. In case nga na magkaroon ng emergency, is baka hindi kayo maligtas. Yun. So, as a cabin crew member nga, ang ating topmost priority is the passenger's safety. So, yun yung worst and best experience ko. Na-practice yung decision making ko, yung critical thinking ko, yung pasensya ko. Ganon. So, kung gusto nyo maging FA, patience talaga, guys. Next question that I got is, workout or diet po? For I'm Grace 0622 and si Franz na schoolmate ko nung college. So, workout or diet? Or paano ma-maintain yung FA body figure? So, okay. Before, nag-workout ako. CrossFit, under 9 pounds per pounds. Kaya lang, after each flight ko, pagod na talaga ako, bagsak talaga ako sa kama. Hindi na ako nakakapunta ng training. So, thankfully, meron akong na-meet na product. Itong product na to is the Vibrant Wellness. Okay? I am not sponsored po, pero baka naman. Okay, I am a user of Vibrant Coffee. So, itong coffee na to is slimming coffee siya. And if iinumin mo siya, mawawala talaga yung cravings mo. So, thankfully talaga na-meet ko to. And, yun lang naman. Vibrant Coffee, meron silang Vibrant Milk Tea kung ayaw nyo ng coffee. And meron ding Vibrant Juice, parang orange citrus flavor ata yun. Next question that I got is, curious lang ako, pag layover, paano yung costing or allowance nyo? From Cholo Benavides. So, during layover, yung allowance namin is nakadepende kung saang destination kami. Example, layover kami ng China. So, yung China is $50 per night yung allowance na binibigay sa amin ni 5J. So, it's up to you kung gagastusin mo siya or iipunin mo yan para next layover mo, ganun. Kung nakapunta ka naman ng China at ayaw mo nang lumibot, pwede mong i-keep yung allowance mo. Pero mostly kasi ako, pagka junior yung kalipad ko, first time sa destination na to, sasamahan ko talaga. Kasi na-experience ko na yung junior ako is ayaw talaga nilang gumala. So, ayun. Para lang, di ba, experience. And the next question that I got is, what do you think is the most important qualification if you wanted to become a flight attendant? Physically. So, physically, I think your body weight must be proportioned to your height. And for the teeth is, veneers is allowed, but dentures or removable teeth is not allowed. For the skin color naman is mestiza, morena, kayumanggi, darker shades, kahit anong color mo is, you can be a flight attendant as long as kaya mong dalhin yung sarili mo. Second to the last question that I got is, pwede po bang pumasok kahit walang tulog? From Johnny Ann _ Oh my God! Eto, ako oo. Kasi, pumasok na ako ng walang tulog. Kasi from day off, ang hirap patulog pag first day mo kinabukasan. Lalo na kapag early morning ka, 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 1 a.m. yung lipad mo, tapos hindi ka na makatulog, di ba? Kasi parang nasanay tayo, lalo na tayo mga Pinoy. Parang 10 a.m., 11, 12, dun pa lang tayo matutulog. So, oo, pwedeng matulog ng puyat. Pwedeng pumasok ng puyat. So, alam ko naman, sister, ginagawa mo to. Kasi FA ka din. The last question that I got is, bakit mahirap maging jowa ang isang cabin crew? Okay. Madalas, busy sa time. Duty. Wala nang time. I-date nyo, itutulog na lang. Kasi lalo na pag off namin, mas gusto namin itulog na lang. Kasi bumabawi kami. Kasi nga, minsan, minimum lang yung pahinga namin, yung tulog namin, wala pang 8 hours. And, siguro hindi naman mahirap. Nandun, depende sa partner mo kung maintindihan niya yung trabaho mo. So, better kung same industry kayo para nagkakaintindihan kayo. Pero hindi ko naman sinabi na cabin crew to cabin crew lang pwede ha. Pwede din yung mga doktor. Yung iba kasi, ibang crew na nakalipad ko, parang doktor yung boyfriend, girlfriend nila. Yung iba, lawyer. Ganun, depende lang yan. Nasa tao lang yan. Yon. Just a tip from your Ate Jessy. See yourself in a cabin crew uniform and use that as a vision to work hard and to improve yourself. Linger with people who has the same desire, who is willing to help you and cheer for you to achieve that dream. Remember, you are an aspirant today, tomorrow you're going to be a cabin crew. Safe skies to us! Flying with you soon! So, that's it. Hopefully, nasagot ko yung mga question nyo. And if you have any content suggestion for my next vlog, just comment down below. And if you are new here on my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to get notified whenever I posted a video, just click the notification bell below. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog.